If you're struggling with your gut health, here are my 9 tips to cleanse your microbiome. Okay, number 1, you're going to spend more time outside. This is really important to program your own and actually be touching things outside like the earth, like trees, like plants, like the sand, natural water sources as well, to actually pick up our natural environments microbiome, and that becomes part of your own microbiome, connecting your inside world with your outside world. Of course, doing this grounded, so taking off your socks and shoes and really connecting with the earth, really important way to cleanse your microbiome. Okay, tip number 2 is to really focus in on a healthy diet. So of course, minimizing the sugar, the alcohol, so some of the foods that are actually the culprits to feed some of the bad guys, so those less favorable organisms that could be living in your gut microbiome. We don't want to favor them by feeding them all that sugar and alcohol. Okay, tip number 3 to cleanse your microbiome is to get some more cold exposure. So this is great for tonifying your immune system, but also helps your microbiome. So actually living in your natural environment, we know it gets cooler at nighttime, usually warmer during the day, no matter what season it is, really tuning into that and trying to mimic, if you do live and spend a lot of time indoors, maintaining a little bit closer to what's happening outside of the walls of where you're sleeping at nighttime and during the daytime as well. Mimicking the actual temperatures outside to the best of your ability becomes very important for the health of your microbiome. Okay, tip number 4 is to make more mindful choices as to the foods that you are eating. So, if food may be questionable in terms of, picking up some of these bad organisms, maybe it's been sitting out too long, you just want to be mindful and using your sense of smell and your intuition as to maybe not consuming something that may be questionable is going to go a long way to help to keep your microbiome happy and healthy. Okay, tip number 5 is to once in a while maybe take some herbal medicines that are going to cleanse away some of those less favorable organisms. And again, these herbal medicines are made by Mother Nature, and they do a really good job to help to allow for your good probiotics to propagate, but kill off some of those bad and unwanted organisms. Okay, tip number 6 on my list for your microbiome is to also do a full body detox. So again, using herbal medicines in combination can be a great way to stimulate proper digestion, as well as cleansing out some of the toxins that can be accumulated in the body, especially through our major emunctories. So the liver, the kidneys, the lungs, the digestive tract, even the skin, we can help to alleviate that toxic load by doing that full body detox. Okay, tip number 7 is to put the good guys back in. What does that mean? That means probiotics. Now, so for some people, eating high probiotic foods is enough. So things like kefir, as well as sauerkraut, kimchi, fantastic ways to put some of those good guys back in. Some people do need to take a good quality probiotic supplement though, designed for your human digestive tract. And just make sure when you're looking for those that it doesn't have any magnesium stearate, of course that flow agent that I do not recommend that we are ingesting. Okay, tip number 8 to cleanse your microbiome is getting enough fiber. So in our diet, that fiber helps to feed our good guys, our probiotics in the gut microbiome. So just ensuring that your diet, or maybe adding in a supplement, something like psyllium seed husks in capsule form, can be really helpful at providing both soluble and insoluble fiber to help to feed those good guys in the gut. And number 9 is meditation. So allowing yourself to be in a more relaxed state becomes very, very important for proper digestion, so that digestion moves along as it should in proper timing with your circadian biology. If you're stressed out all the time, of course, we know that this hampers digestion, so you want to do your best to get in that nice relaxed state. And meditation is a great way to allow and sort of force your body into that more relaxed state. Now, I do have more detox tips in this video, so please check it out, Full Body Detox Tips. I'll see you there.